Excuse me. Hey guys, it is Miss Gideon here. I'm going to go over Unit 3, Lesson 5 practice problems with you, and hopefully this will help you on your quick check. So the first one, this is number 1. A figure displays two non-adjacent angles. And remember, non-adjacent means they don't touch. So I could have this angle and this angle and this angle. If I did the purple angle and the blue angle, they don't touch. They just share the vertex. So that's not adjacent, not touching. So with measures of x plus 2 and 2x minus 4. If two angles are complementary, and you should know by heart by now, complementary means 90 degrees. What is the equation? Well, the problem started you off with the first measurement, which is x plus 2. So I'm done with that one. The next measurement is your 2x minus 4. So in the one box, you would type in your 2x minus 4. You don't need spaces between all that. So let me know if you have any problem with that. So then it has to be equal to 90. That's all it's asking you to do, and they got their degree sign there already. So that's all it's asking you to do is to write the equation. What's the written equation? So let's look at number 2. A figure displays two non-adjacent angles again, the measures of x plus 2, and I think this is the same one. It is the same one. I'm sorry. What are the measurements for number 2? Let me look here. I'll just write over top of them. All right, so yours, I have an x plus 3 in this next problem, and then I have a 4x minus 2. So if the two angles are complementary, and you automatically think complementary is 90, what is the written equation? They started it here with the x plus 3, sorry, so that isn't needed. So the next part you need to do is your 4x, so you would type in 4x minus 2. I can't write that small. Equals what? 90 degrees. So notice on the equal sign, you're going to have what the complementary total is. Same thing for your when you do your quick check. All right, looking at this practice problem for number 3, what is the equation for determining the angle of measures? They're not asking you to solve. Again, they're just asking for the equation. Okay, guys, this is a big thing right here. This box that I just shaded in purple, that means it's a right angle. And if it's a right angle, we know that it equals 90 degrees. So we know that this number 2 over here is going to be your 90, because there's your equal sign. All right, now what else do I know? What is the equation? I've got one angle of 7x minus 9. I'm just going to put a 1 instead of a check mark. One angle here and two angle here. In in the information they give me the 4x, so I don't want to type 4x twice. I'm going to make sure I type in the one that isn't there. So 7x minus 9. So that's how you're filling in that one. Example number 4. Two complementary angles, 90 degrees, right? Have the measures 4x and 2x. This time we want to find the value of x and the two measures. So let's talk about what we know. We know 4x is one angle. We have to add it together with the other angle to get the total of 90 degrees. And then we're applying our like terms we learned last semester. I've got 4 x's, and I'm adding 2 more x's. So 4 plus 2 is 6, and I still have 6x equals 90 degrees. I want to solve. I know that if I don't see an add, subtract, multiply, or divide in the 6x, it means multiply. So I'm going to undo multiply by dividing each side or both sides by 6. And 90 divided by 6 goes in one time. Let's subtract. And then it would be 30. So 15. So pay attention where they're talking about. Here's number 1. It's asking for the value of x. So I would type my 15 in here. Number 2 is 4x. So I would have to do 15. Remember, you can use a Desmos calculator. 15 times 4. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 60. And then my 2x would be 2 times the x value of 15. And I already know that that's 30, so I'm not going to do the work. So there we go. So watch what they're asking for. Make sure you're looking at what part they're telling you. These equations can be a little tricky when you look at them and you might freak out, but really you're just filling in the answers. You can do it. All right, and the final question I'm going to do is in figure 1, in any figure, one complementary angle, 90 degrees, right, has a measure of 36 degrees, and the other has a measure of x minus 3. The problem is asking me what is the value of x and the value of the unknown angle. So how do I do that? I take the angles, 36 plus the other measurement, and technically I should have my degrees on there, 3. And I could have my parentheses there, but I really don't need them. So it's whatever you think. These are my, this is my degree sign, my little dot there, sorry. So I've got 36 plus x minus 3, and I know it has to equal 90 because they're complementary. I'm going to combine any like terms. There's no more x's, so I'm going to bring my x down. And now I've got 36, a positive 36, and I've got a minus 3. So 36 take away 3 is 33. So I'm going to add a 33 equals 90. To get x by herself, we undo the addition to subtraction. We subtract the same number on both sides. So up here I'm going to do 90 minus 33. I'm going to borrow one from the 9, get 8. So 10 minus 3 is 7. 8 minus 3 is 5. So x is going to be equal to 57 degrees. So 57 is here, right? 2, the angle 2 is x minus 3 right here, right? Let me undo all my marks there. So I'm just going to do it up here. So I know that x is 57. So 57 minus 3, that's 54. So 54 would be your next number. So you guys got this. Let me know if you have any questions. Wednesday live lessons, perfect time to ask. Have a great day.